Welcome to Corofy, your trusted partner on the journey to becoming a licensed real estate professional in New York. Today, we've crafted a special guide to help you navigate through the complexities of the real estate exam with ease and confidence. Before we dive into our top 25 real estate questions designed to sharpen your skills and boost your exam readiness, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more invaluable resources and updates. Now, let's embark on this educational journey together. Before we get started, let's talk about taking your study to the next level. With our real estate exam prep course, you're not just studying, you're preparing to succeed. Our course offers comprehensive materials, practice tests, and personalized feedback to ensure you're not just ready, but fully equipped to ace your New York State real estate exam. And for a limited time, here's a special offer to boost your exam prep. Use the following code for a 20% discount. Don't just aim to pass. Excel with confidence and start your real estate career strong. Here are the 25 real estate questions that will sharpen your knowledge and prepare you for success.
Question 1. A real estate broker earns a commission of $4,900 at a rate of 7%. What is the selling price of the property? The options are A. $24,000, B. $44,000, C. $65,000, D. $70,000. The correct answer is D. $70,000. To find the selling price, you divide the commission amount by the commission rate, $4,900, 0.07, and earn $70,000. Question 2. A real estate salesperson sells a property for $300,000. The total commission for the sale is $18,000. What commission rate did she charge? The options are A. 4%, B. 5%, C. 6%, D. 7%. The correct answer is C. 6%. You find this by dividing the commission by the selling price, $18,000, $300,000, 0.06, or 6%. Question 3. A salesperson sells another firm's listing of a commercial building for $462,500. The 7% commission is split 50-50 between the two companies. The salesperson received 60% of her office's share. How much does she receive? The options are A. $169.75, B. $3,237.50, C. $9,712.50, D. $10,150. The correct answer is C. $9,712.50. The calculation is 0.07 x $462,500 x 0.5 x 0.6. Next, question 4. If a real estate broker earned a commission of $5,600 at a commission rate of 7%, at what price was the property sold? The options are A. $39,200, B. $68,000, C. $80,000, D. $125,000. The correct answer is C. Insgesamt. To find the selling price, you would use the formula 4,697 char kikant. Question 5. A loan of $50,000 is repaid in full 1 year after the loan is made. If the interest rate on the loan is 9.5%, what amount of interest is owed? The options are A. $4,750, B. $5,000, C. $5,765, D. $6,187. The correct answer is A. $4,750. The interest is calculated as 50,000 x 0.095 as 4,750. Question 6. A lender requires a 1.5% loan origination fee payable at closing. The mortgage amount is $425,000. What is the amount of the origination fee? The options are A. $4,230, B. $4,980, C. $5,375, D. $6,375. The correct answer is D. $6,375. The fee is calculated by multiplying the loan amount by the origination fee percentage, $425,000 x 0.015 or $6,375. Question 7. A property sells for $120,000. The buyer obtains an 80% loan. If the bank charges 3 points at closing, how much in points must the buyer pay? The options are A. $1,589, B. $2,245, C. $2,880, D. $3,496. The correct answer is C. $2,880. The points are calculated as $120,000 x 0.8 x 0.3, $2,280. Question 8. The owner of a rectangular parcel of land measuring 950 feet wide, front, by 150 feet long is offered at $7,500 per acre. What is the amount of the offer? The options are A. $21,350, B. $24,535, C. $26,750, D. $29,850. The correct answer is B. $24,535. First, calculate the area in acres. 950, 150, 43,560, we're 3.27 acres. Then multiply by the price per acre, 327, 7,500 at 24,535. Question 9. A group of investors purchased 2 tracts of land. They pay $48,000 for the first tract. The first tract costs 80% of the cost of the second tract. What is the cost of the second tract? The options are A, $125,000, B, $60,000, C, $28,800, D, $9,600. The correct answer is B, $60,000. Solve for the second tract's cost by setting up the equation $48,000, 0.x, which solves to x, or $60,000. Question 10. A triangular lot measures 350 feet along the street and 425 feet deep on the side perpendicular to the street. If the broker sells the lot for 0.75 per square foot and her commission rate is 9%, what is the amount of commission earned? The options are A, $3,321.40, B, $485.57, C, $5,220.31, D, $6,275 hours. The correct answer is C, $5,220.31. The area of the lot is calculated as 0.5 x 350 x 425 hours 74,375 SQFT. The total sale price is then 74,375 x 075 55,781.25, and the commission is 55,781.25 x 09 5,020 31 Turin. Question 11. Unit cost in place, square foot, quantity survey, and cubic foot most likely refer to A, escrows, B, appraising, C, loan applications, D, construction techniques. The correct answer is B, appraising. These terms are methods and units used in property appraisal to estimate value. Question 12. A rectangular lot measures 40 yards deep and has a frontage of 80 feet. How many acres does the lot contain? A, 0.07, B, 0.21, C, 0.22, D, 0.7. The correct answer is C, 0.22 acres. Convert dimensions to feet and then to acres. 40 yards are 120 feet, so the area is 120 x 80 on 9,600 skew. Fenti and there are 43,560 sq afati in an acre, so 9,600 and 43,560 is on 0.22 acres. Question 13. An acre of land has a width of 425 feet. If this acre of land is rectangular in shape, what is its length? A, 85.5 feet, B, 93 feet, C, 102.5 feet, D, 120 feet. The correct answer is C, 102.5 feet. Since an acre is 43,560 square feet, the length is 43,560 for 102.5 feet. Question 14. A lot that measures 475 x 525 sold for $275,000. What was the cost per acre? The options are A, $48,036, B, $48,238, C, $48,568, D, $48,976. The correct answer is A, $48,036. First, find the total square footage, 475 x 525, convert to acres, then divide the total price by the acreage to find the cost per acre. Question 15. The owner of a rectangular parcel of land measuring 500 feet wide, front, by 150 feet long is offered at either $20 per front foot or $5,000 per acre. What is the amount of the higher offer? A, $3,169, B, $6,400, C, $10,000, D, $12,500. The correct answer is C, $10,000. The front foot offer is higher, 500 feet, x $20, $10,000. Question 16. A real estate salesperson sells a property for $90,000. The commission of this sale to the real estate firm with whom the salesperson is associated is 6%. The salesperson receives 60% of the total commission paid to the real estate firm. What is the firm's share of the commission in dollars? A, $2,000, B, $2,160, C, $4,500, D, $4,750. The correct answer is B, $2,160. The firm's share is the total commission minus the salesperson's portion, $5,400, $3,240 at $2,760. Question 17. A buyer pays $200,000 for his property. He obtains a mortgage of $160,000. What is the loan-to-value ratio? A, 80, B, 85, C, 90, D, 95. The correct answer is A, 80. The loan-to-value ratio is calculated by dividing the mortgage amount by the property price, $160,000, $200,000, 0.08, or 80%. Question 18. If Calvin buys 3 parcels of land for $8,000 and sells them as 4 separate parcels for $9,000 each, what percent profit does he make? A. 33%, B. 40%, C. 45%, D. 50%. The correct answer is D. 50%. Calculate total cost and total revenue, then find the profit margin. $12,000 profit from a $24,000 investment results in a 50% profit. Question 19. A lease specifies a minimum monthly rental of $700 plus 3% of all business over $185,000. If the lessee does a gross business of $220,000, how much rent is paid that year? A. $9,450, B. $10,376, C. $11,550, D. $12,600. The correct answer is A. $9,250. The additional rent from business over $185,000 is $1,050, added to the annual base rent of $8,400, $700 x 12. Question 20. If the inside measurements of a building are 24 feet by 30 feet and the building has 6-inch walls, the building covers how many square feet of ground? A. 720, B. 747.5, C. 750, D. 775. The correct answer is D. 775 square feet. The overall external dimensions include the wall thickness, making the building cover 775 SQ FTs of ground. Question 21. If the monthly interest payment due on a mortgage on December 1st is $570 and the annual interest rate is 6%, what is the outstanding mortgage balance? A. 61,560 or B. 63,333, C. 114,000, D. 131,158 sows. The correct answer is C. $114,000. The balance is found by dividing the monthly interest by the monthly rate, annual rate divided by 12. Question 22. The owner of a rectangular parcel of land measuring 500 feet wide, front, by 150 feet long is offered $20 per front foot or $5,000 per acre. What is the amount of the higher offer? A. $3,469, B. $6,400, C. $10,000, D. $12,000. The correct answer is C. $10,000. The front foot offer yields the higher amount. Question 23. San has an HO3 homeowner's policy. When his storage shed was damaged in a fire, he received $20,000 on his insurance claim. Based on this information, what amount of insurance did he have on the residence? A. $100,000, B. $120,000, C. $150,000, D. $200,000. The correct answer is D. $200,000. Typically, outbuildings are covered for up to 10% of the policy on the main residence. Question 24. If the assessor determines that the market value of a property is $300,000 and the level of assessment, LOA, in the taxing unit is 75%, what is the assessment for that property? A. $200,000, B. $225,000, C. $250,000, D. $275,000. The correct answer is B. $225,000. The assessed value is 75% of the market value. Question 25. The purchase price of a property is $175,000. The bank authorizes a loan-to-value ratio of 90%. What is the amount of the loan authorized? A. $90,000, B. $100,000, C. $125,000, D. $157,000 or $500. The correct answer is D. $157,500. The loan amount is 90% of the purchase price.
Thank you for joining us for this educational session. Before we wrap up, let's consider how you can elevate your exam preparation even further. With our real estate exam prep course, your study becomes a pathway to success. And now, for a limited time, we're making this journey more accessible for you. Use the following code at checkout to receive a 20% discount on our exam prep course. This is your chance not just to pass, but to excel with confidence and begin your real estate career on solid ground. Don't forget to share this video with friends who are also on their journey to becoming real estate professionals. Subscribe to our channel for more practice tests and resources to ensure your success. We're committed to helping you pass your real estate exam with flying colors. See you in the next video.